In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share channels externally in Microsoft Teams. We'll walk through a simple process that lets you invite people outside of your organization to join a specific channel using a shareable link. This is really useful when you're collaborating with partners, clients, or anyone who doesn't have direct access to your internal Teams environment but still needs to stay in the loop. First, open Microsoft Teams in your browser and sign in if you haven't already. Once you're in, look toward the left-hand side of the screen and locate the option labeled Communities. Go ahead and click on Communities. This area is where your different groups and channels are organized, and it's the starting point for finding the channel you want to share. After you open Communities, you'll see a list of channels that you're a part of. Take a moment to find the specific channel you want to share externally. This might be a project group, a customer community, or any channel where external participation makes sense. Click on that channel to open it. When you do, you'll be taken into the main conversation space where you can see posts, messages, and any shared content. Now that you're inside the channel, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. You should see an icon that represents sharing a join link. It often looks like a link or a share symbol. This icon is what you'll use to generate an invitation link for others. Move your cursor to that share join link icon and click on it. This tells Teams that you want to create a reusable link that people can use to join this specific channel. When you click the Share Join Link icon, a small window or menu will appear, giving you options for how to share the link. In this menu, look for the option labeled Copy. Click on Copy. This action copies the channel's join link to your clipboard. From here, you can paste that link wherever you need it, in an email, a chat message, a calendar invite, or even on a website, depending on how you plan to invite people. Just remember that anyone with this link may be able to request access, depending on your organization's settings, so share it only with people you trust or with groups that are meant to be public. And that's all there is to it. Click Communities, select your channel,